Great. Thank you for the opportunity. It was a wonderful experience, and everything that Carolyn has said it was and more. It provided many opportunities for all of us, but me personally, to develop and enhance my executive leadership skills, and also an opportunity to establish that peer network. And that has been so very important. It is an intense 4-day experience. Chaska is beautiful and has a wonderful lake, and so we all really engaged in wonderful food, I will tell you that, but also lots of different methods of learning. And so we would have lectures, if you will. We would apply that with case studies, with simulations. One of the highlights, I think, for our group was the simulation that was about change and also really had an interprofessional flair to it. So we as a team had to make decisions. I think it was a 4-hour format. I'm not quite sure, but through that we made decisions for the organization and how we moved forward to grow this team and this organization. And so many very fun ways to learn the content and apply it. And as Carolyn said, the Voices 360, I believe, was so personal and wonderful. So I learned about myself, not only my leadership styles, but how I could improve, and more importantly, where there were room for improvement, which ones I could address that would help me the most, help me to be a more efficient and effective leader. So that was wonderful. It also, we did lots of group work. They divided us into 2 teams, the red team and the blue team, and then into further small groups. Like Carolyn said, I think we had 5 in our group. And so we did lots of discussions, and it was really nice because we got to know each other and really provided, I think, valuable feedback for each other. And then we also, not only learning about ourselves, but learning about others, and how leadership styles, etc., impact others, affect others, maybe how we could do things differently or better or the same. The other thing that I liked was we applied everything that we learned, so to ourselves and with our group. And then we would share within our larger group. We developed a toolkit that was very helpful. I still have it and use it weekly on things. We also talked about coaching, which I so very much appreciated. And so we got concepts of coaching, and then we applied it. And that was one of my big goals. So that's been very helpful for me. We have discussions monthly within the 48 LANP fellows, and we discuss many things. Each group leads a discussion and provides input. My group has not gone yet, but we are going to do one on evaluations and what people are doing. We found that there's not a lot in the literature on academic merit-based evaluations, and so we're talking about getting the group's feedback on this, what we've all done at the 48 institutions from where we come, and then perhaps talking about a white paper. So the opportunities are endless. We've also talked amongst ourselves about scholarship and doing some writing together. So the sky's the limit. The participants are all ages, both men and women, and from across the nation, and in a beautiful facility with fabulous food and wonderful facilitators. I can't speak highly enough about the experience.